Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Nature. I decided to go to the nearest forest and explore it a little bit. I heard there are a couple of new birds people are photographing here since I came for 2 weeks back, and I just came here and I got a very nice shot of a great tail tilt and a chiffchaff. So we are just sitting on that small tree and nice bushes. Just for your info guys, I have connected my RF 100-500 to the R7 and my 1.4x extender with it, and that's really give me almost around 700 mm of reach with this camera, and if I crop it that will be equivalent to 900 mm. So, and the light is really good. I think that kind of light if you have, and it's always great, you can connect your 1.4x extender with your lens, you know. Although while I was photographing these two little birds, my focus was a little bit slow, because there is another reason for that. The reason is that the birds are inside the tree and the portion was a little bit dark, but as soon as it came into the light and I got enough light to function at f10, and I got very nice shots. So let me show you some shots which I got, and then I will process them and put it in the video. So guys, if you can see, here is one shot. Still little bit overexposed because I put my ISO on auto. I don't rely on auto ISO all the time, but you can have a look. Doing some action, but I find it really nice. Let me find out the picture of the the long tail tilt. This is another image guys. So I got very nice two shots. Hey guys, I have never thought I will get a shot like this. Incredible man, incredible. So this is always I say, when you wait for the birds, they will come to you. And the bird was so close man, and I got this incredible shot. I never had a good shot of this long tail tilt before. And let me show you more. That's not the end. Look at the shot guys. I'm so happy. So today the start of the day is brilliant. I can't even ask anymore. Small birds in the porch, and if you just wait and you get the right shot. So guys, just stay tuned with me, and I hope I will get some more new birds, nice birds here, huh? So let's move forward. This way we'll go, and then I'll give you a nice view. Okay, thanks a lot guys, thanks a lot. The good part is that it's getting evening and it's now almost 6:30, and the sun is just behind me, so that's a really nice part. And when the bird will be on the small trees or the porches, the sun will directly fall upon it, and it will be great, nice and crisp clear picture. So I think I'm going to be happy today with my 1.4x extender, which I was not before many times. Most of the time when the bird is flying or moving too much, I always exit my focus points. You know, it doesn't matter what kind of focus area I have been using. So it's really great. So looking at the picture on the camera screen, it's giving me already a good vibe. So we'll be moving towards a little bit more and see what else I can see. I just saw a black cat. Just wait 5 minutes. I hope it will come out. I cannot go inside this today because it was raining a lot last 3 days, and then the whole rain is just jumped in. There is no place that water can pass out. So there is no other chance that I can go in, and I have to wait just near the road. It's a little bit far, but I hope with the 700 reach I can get the bird. It's inside the branches, and I don't think it's a very nice good. So So guys, I saw a couple of grasshopper here, and you can see the reed is too high, so they're inside the reeds mostly. And grasshoppers are really nice bird, or they're also known as snow in Netherlands. And I'll be waiting a little bit to see if I can find one. Not very sure, but hopefully I can see one. This is almost the time when the birds will started coming out and fetch some food for the little ones. So far so good. I'm very pleased today with that light and the autofocus speed of this Canon R7 paired with 1.4x extender. I definitely have no issues, and definitely I will put them in the video so you can have a look. The main purpose today was that video I wanted to just make, because a couple of people asked me how does this 1.4x extender is working with RF 500, and is it really sufficient? Definitely guys, that 1.4x is quite sharper than any other 1.4x extender available in the market, and this is really goes as a native with your RF 500 lens, and all the images are texture, but sometime I got little bit issues with the most dynamic birds, like birds are flying, or they just exit the focus point, so those kind of stuff, it's not quite fast enough at the time. And when you are doing the picture, taking the photographs, handheld it, so try to keep your shutter speed a little bit up, so the little bit shake can be compromised with the shutter speed, so that's really needed. So if you buy this R5 body, and I will definitely recommend it that you go with RF 500, if that is your go-to pair, then get 1.4x extender, and that will definitely give you a nice reach, and you will never regret that. So stay tuned with me. We will do more testing on that, and all the videos coming out, all the pictures coming out in this video after post process, so you can have a look for your quality check. I want to go a little bit inside, but problem is that I just saw two blue throat, and they just run away the moment they have seen me. What is that? So the beginning was good. Saw a couple of different birds, but after that it just too much. I haven't seen any more birds, so I will just take a walk and then come back. It's a little water body, nothing crazy. This is a small forest, not too big. The water body is really nice. Last time I found a little grebe here. Good. Why this guy is inside? So far so good with 1.4x with RF 100-500. It served me very well. I had no issues with that, and the autofocus is speed, the accuracy, sharpness, is everything is perfect. So I hope I got a couple of nice pictures, and I just need to check them all. So that's the end for today. I'm now heading back to my home, and I hope you will like this today's little adventure. It's not too much, and I got a couple of nice pictures, videos. I will put them inside, so have a look, and that will definitely help you to make up your mind if you really want to buy this 1.4x with your RF 100-500. But in one word, my recommendation, yeah, you can use it, and most of the time, 90% time, it really work out good. So all the images at least look sharp on the camera, and as soon as I reach home, I will check them on my computer and I have a good feeling about it. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Put your question in the comment. I will definitely get back to you, and hopefully see you in the next episode. Thanks a lot, guys.